The NWS in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jeff Davis County in southeast Georgia, Appling County in southeast Georgia, western Bacon County in southeast Georgia, northern Coffee County in southeast Georgia, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NWS meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 7 miles northwest of Snipesville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Snipesville, Hazelhurst, West Green, Graham, Plant Hatch, Baxley, and Alma. Report severe weather or damage to the nearest law enforcement agency or your county emergency management. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday morning for southeast Georgia.